Hello my beauties, today I will be sharing my favorite 5 long-lasting makeup products that are affordable and that will keep your makeup on all day plus some advice. My favorite foundation is the Maybelline Superstay Activewear Foundation. It's around 13 to 14 bucks and I have so many bottles. Yes, they're a little messy, but I am not a sink girl. I promise you girls that. But anyways, I love this foundation because it's oily skin friendly and it is waterproof. And it is also full coverage, so if you want to cover up some acne or some hyperpigmentation, scars, anything that you want to cover up, this foundation will get it done for you. It is matte, but it's not drying. It's even a little bit sticky, so the powders that you put on top of this will work well. e.l.f.'s Hydrating Camo Concealer is perfect for the summertime too because it is medium to full coverage, so it's buildable and it won't dry out your under eye, so it'll look very dewy and it'll cover up, and it does last all day. It does not rub off easily, and it's just a really good concealer. I really like it. I use the darker shade as bronzer, but I feel guilty doing that, so I'm gonna go ahead and get a cream bronzer soon and I'll review it for you guys. But this is what I've been using now and it works pretty well and it does last all day. I see my concealer and my bronzer and it's there and it's not sweating off or anything, which is a plus. It does crease though, I'm not gonna lie, it does crease under the eyes, so be careful. The Wet n Wild Photo Focus Loose Setting Powder is very good and very affordable, and as you can tell, I got it at Walgreens. And I love this. I set my cream products, all of my cream products afterwards with this powder and it works. The only thing is that it does have a lot of flashback at night, so no flash girlies. L'Oreal has some of the best mascaras. Lash Paradise gives you volume and it is waterproof, but it's clumpy. That's why I prefer telescopic because it gives you less smudging and a more natural look. But beware of oily under eye because this will break down your mascara and that's what causes more of the smudging. But these are really good mascaras. Essence 8-Hour Matte Liquid Lipsticks are the most affordable lipsticks, $5 only, and they last a very long time. And my favorite makeup hack is using matte liquid lipsticks as lip liner because it'll last way longer than a lip liner. These come in such beautiful colors and they really do last a long time. If you eat greasy food, it'll of course rub off because oil breaks down makeup, but these work great. Thank you so much for watching and I hope you found your new favorite makeup from this video or a new makeup hack.